Hello, Juha here from FINNSKILL. I just got a question that how we build our downline in GotBackUp. So I will answer to you by this video. It's really easy. So after every Wednesday, when we have a live GotUp webinar, you can find you new members here. You just go here, back office, my downline, my family tree, and then here we can build our team and your new members, team members are in holding tank. So this is super easy. We just built our left and right side legs. So this is empty. I just click and then I choose a member and are you sure that you want to add the new user? Yes. And let's see what's happening. Done. And then next place what you want to add is here. Yes. Done. And then when I have here 1, 2, 3, so of course I want it's in balance. So here again, new member. So you do this just once a week, and it's so easy.